Canon could be preparing one of its most interesting mirrorless cameras yet, and if the latest rumors prove accurate, the next EOS R8 may be much more than a routine refresh. Instead of simply tweaking a few specifications, the company appears to be rethinking what an affordable full-frame camera should offer. From major hardware improvements to a design inspired by one of Canon's legendary film cameras, the upcoming model is already generating plenty of excitement among photographers and content creators. One of the biggest talking points is the possibility of an all-new 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor. Rather than focusing only on adding more resolution, the goal seems to be creating a sensor that delivers sharper detail while maintaining impressive speed and strong low-light performance. Traditionally, increasing megapixels can slow down image processing, but the latest leaks suggest Canon is working to avoid that compromise. If true, users could enjoy richer image quality without sacrificing responsiveness, making the camera equally appealing for landscapes, portraits, and fast-paced action. Powering this rumored sensor is expected to be Canon's Digic X processor, although reports hint at significant behind-the-scenes refinements. Even if the processor keeps the same name, improvements to its processing pipeline could result in faster raw handling, cleaner high ISO images, improved color reproduction, and quicker overall performance. This combination could also help Canon introduce more intelligent autofocus capabilities while maintaining the smooth user experience photographers already appreciate. Autofocus is another area where substantial progress is expected. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF system has already earned an excellent reputation, but the upcoming version may become even smarter by expanding its AI-powered subject recognition. Beyond identifying people, the camera is rumored to recognize animals, birds, vehicles, aircraft, and trains with greater precision. Improved eye detection is also expected to help maintain sharp focus even when subjects move unpredictably or lighting conditions become difficult. Combined with a larger image buffer, photographers shooting sports, wildlife, or events may find they can capture longer bursts without interruptions caused by a full memory buffer. Video performance also appears to be receiving thoughtful upgrades. Instead of chasing ultra-high resolution simply for marketing purposes, Canon reportedly wants to refine the overall shooting experience. Oversampled 4K recording is expected to remain, but with improved image processing, more dependable autofocus during recording, and recording formats that simplify post-production editing. Rather than competing directly with Canon's premium cinema-focused cameras, this model seems designed to give hybrid creators dependable everyday performance while preserving clear differences between entry-level and professional product lines. Another rumor attracting enormous attention is the possible addition of in-body image stabilization. Since the original R8 launched without IBIS, many users viewed that omission as its biggest weakness. If Canon finally includes stabilization inside the camera body, handheld photography and video could become dramatically smoother, especially for travel creators, vloggers, and photographers working in unpredictable environments where tripods are impractical. Several practical improvements are also being discussed. One of the most significant is the possibility of dual SD card slots instead of a single slot. For professionals covering weddings, corporate events, or important client projects, instant backup recording provides valuable peace of mind. Battery life is also rumored to receive a welcome boost, allowing photographers and filmmakers to spend more time shooting before reaching for a spare battery. Perhaps the feature generating the most conversation isn't technical at all. According to multiple reports, Canon may embrace a retro-inspired appearance influenced by the iconic AE-1 film camera. Cleaner body lines, redesigned control dials, and vintage styling could give the camera a distinctive personality while preserving the comfortable ergonomics expected from a modern mirrorless system. Nostalgia has become increasingly popular in the camera industry, and Canon may be looking to combine classic design with today's advanced technology in a way that appeals to longtime enthusiasts as well as newcomers. Durability may improve too. Although it's unlikely to match the rugged weather sealing of Canon's higher-end models, enhanced protection against dust and moisture would make the camera a more reliable companion for travel, outdoor adventures, and changing weather conditions. Connectivity is also expected to evolve with faster wireless transfers, smoother smartphone pairing, and a more efficient USB-C workflow for creators who frequently move files or control the camera remotely. Looking at all these rumored features together, it's clear Canon appears to be targeting photographers who want serious full-frame performance without paying flagship prices. Users upgrading from APS-C cameras, smartphones, or older mirrorless models could find this camera particularly attractive. Wedding photographers would appreciate the dual card slots. Wildlife shooters could benefit from the expanded autofocus and larger buffer, while content creators may enjoy improved cooling and dependable handheld stabilization. Current speculation suggests the camera could be priced somewhere between $1,400 and $1,600 for the body, keeping it highly competitive within the entry-level full-frame market. Industry rumors also point toward a launch during the final months of 2026, with September or October frequently mentioned as the most likely release window. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the growing number of leaks paints the picture of a camera designed to deliver meaningful real-world improvements instead of minor yearly updates. If these reports turn out to be accurate, Canon may have a compelling new full-frame option that blends modern performance, practical features, and timeless styling into one of its most exciting releases in recent years.